Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the best robot vacuum and mop to keep your home spotless with less effort, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop of 2026, featuring some of the smartest, most powerful, and most convenient models available right now. So, if you're ready to find the perfect robot cleaner for your home, make sure you watch until the end, because our number 1 pick might surprise you. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. As always, you can check out the product links in the description box to learn more about each model and check the latest prices. Now let's get started. Starting our list at number 5 is the NARWAL Flow 2, a powerful robot vacuum and mop designed to tackle both everyday dirt and stubborn stains. Its standout feature is the Flow Wash self-cleaning mop, which continuously washes the mop with fresh water while cleaning, helping prevent dirty water from being spread across your floors. It uses up to 140-degree Fahrenheit hot water and 12 newtons of pressure to loosen and scrub away tough stains, while a scraper removes residue and collects dirty water in a sealed tank. On the vacuuming side, you get an impressive 31,000 pascals of suction, making it excellent for dust, crumbs, debris, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. Its dual zero-tangle brush system is designed to dramatically reduce hair wrapping, while dual cameras and VLM-AI allow the Flow 2 to recognize objects such as shoes, cables, and pet bowls and intelligently navigate around them. At number 4, we have the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete, combining 24,000 pascals of suction with smart navigation and advanced mop cleaning. One of its most interesting features is Flexi-Rise navigation, which allows its LDS sensor to retract when the robot needs to clean underneath narrow furniture, then extend again in open areas for better visibility and more accurate navigation. With 24,000 pascals of suction and a triple anti-tangle system featuring the TurboWave Duo brush, the V50 Ultra Complete is built to pick up hair, dirt, and debris while minimizing maintenance. For mopping, its Duo solution system uses warm water and lets you choose between different cleaning solutions, including an option designed to tackle pet odors. The FlexiPress mop pad also helps maintain consistent pressure against the floor for better stain removal. And with hot water mop washing and fast hot air drying, this is a particularly attractive option for homes that need frequent, hands-free cleaning. Taking the number 3 spot is the Roborock Qrevo Edge 3 Pro, and this robot brings serious power and obstacle crossing capability. Its AdaptiLift Chassis 3.0 can handle thresholds up to 1.77 inches for single-layer obstacles, and an impressive 3.46 inches for double-layer thresholds, while it can also automatically detach its mop when moving onto carpets. The retractable LDS navigation system provides 360-degree scanning, while structured light, an RGB camera, and vertibeam obstacle avoidance allow the robot to recognize more than 300 different objects around your home. Underneath, a powerful 36,000 pascal motor pulls up pet hair, dust, crumbs, and stubborn debris from carpets and hard floors, while the dual zero-tangle system helps prevent hair from wrapping around the brushes. Its FlexiArm technology also extends cleaning closer to walls, corners, furniture legs, and other hard-to-reach areas. If you have a busy home with pets, carpets, and different floor levels, the Qrevo Edge 3 Pro is packed with features designed to keep cleaning as effortless as possible. At number 2 is the Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra, a premium robot vacuum and mop focused heavily on automated mopping and multi-surface cleaning. Its multi-mop switching dock can automatically switch between different mop types depending on the area being cleaned, helping reduce cross-contamination between rooms and surfaces. It also features a 3-solution compartment that can accommodate different cleaning solutions for different floor cleaning needs. When it comes to navigating your home, the Matrix 10 Ultra uses OmniSight technology, combining VersaLift navigation with Smart 3D, Adapt Obstacle Avoidance, and LED lighting to detect and avoid more than 240 types of objects. It also features an impressive obstacle crossing system, capable of handling thresholds up to 3.15 inches, along with adaptive wheels and retractable components for improved mobility. And with 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction, plus Hyperstream detangling Duo brush technology, it delivers powerful vacuuming performance across carpets and hard floors. For anyone looking for a highly automated robot that puts a major focus on intelligent mopping, the Matrix 10 Ultra is a very impressive option. And finally, taking our number 1 spot is the Roborock Saros 20, an extremely powerful robot vacuum and mop designed for advanced whole home cleaning. Its Adaptilift Chassis 3.0 dynamically adjusts the robot's body to help it cross uneven floors and thresholds, including double-layer obstacles up to 3.46 inches, while maintaining its cleaning performance. Navigation is handled by the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, using advanced 3D TOF sensors and an RGB camera to create accurate maps and recognize more than 300 different obstacles, helping the robot avoid clutter and reduce missed areas. Its ultra-slim design allows it to clean underneath furniture as low as 3.13 inches, making it easier to reach hidden dust and pet hair beneath sofas and beds. But the real powerhouse is its 36,000 Pascal suction system, which is designed to pull dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and floor gaps, while its dual anti-tangle system minimizes hair buildup around the brushes. Add 212-degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, advanced navigation, obstacle crossing, and zero-tangle cleaning, and the Saros 20 stands out as one of the most feature-packed choices on this list.